Mini-sized, these balls are 2 in diameter, which makes them perfect for knee and floor hockey. Soft foam. The soft foam construction of these mini hockey balls make them perfect for indoor hockey games. 6 colored balls. This set comes complete with 6 colored mini hockey balls, so you have plenty of replacements. Great accessory. This set is the perfect addition to any mini hockey set. Perfect for kids. These mini balls are the perfect size for young players, which make them a great gift for kids who love hockey. Ages 3+. Top reviews from the United States. Best for knee hockey. Knee hockey gets pretty intense here at my home with a husband and 2 boys. I too get involved. I've had these balls blasted right in my face and cracked on the nose many times. No broken bones yet. At high velocity it only stings for a second and I'm left in awe of not getting maimed once again. Buy these.